Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make XO sauce using an easy method. This luxurious condiment, originating from Hong Kong, is surprisingly simple to prepare at home. We'll cover gathering essential ingredients like dried scallops and shrimp, preparing your aromatics, and the slow cooking process that develops its rich, umami flavor. Get ready to elevate your dishes with this incredible homemade sauce, perfect for noodles, stir-fries, or as a delicious dip. Proper preparation is key to a fantastic XO sauce. Start by rehydrating your dried scallops and shrimp in warm water for about 30 minutes until they are tender. Once rehydrated, finely mince them along with your cured ham. Then, chop your shallots, garlic, and fresh red chilies into small, consistent pieces. This meticulous preparation ensures even cooking and maximum flavor extraction. Now for the cooking. Heat approximately 1 cup of neutral oil in a wok or large pan over medium-low heat. First, gently fry your minced shallots, garlic, and chilies until they are fragrant and lightly golden brown. Next, add the rehydrated and minced scallops, shrimp, and cured ham. Continue to cook this mixture slowly for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your delicious XO sauce, stir in about 1 tablespoon of sugar and a dash of soy sauce to balance the flavors. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until the sauce is rich, golden brown, and incredibly aromatic. Once done, let the sauce cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it to an airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator where it will keep fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.